Hello, guys. A very simple topic, modular arithmetic. Very, very, very simple topic. Okay. So now the question says copy and complete the multiplication table below in modulo 7. Modulo 7. So that is our guide. So we are going to start. Some part of it has been answered for us. So that is fine. That is beautiful. Now let's come back to this. 2 times 3. Look at this. 2 times is 3. Now 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. Then we'll check it. 6 is not up to modulo 7. So we are going to have our 6. All right. Then the next one is 2 times 4. Now 2 times 4 is actually 8. Compared to this modulo 7, 8 is bigger. So this is what you are going to tell yourself. You are going to tell yourself 7 into 8, which is the same thing as saying 7 divided by 8 divided by 7. How many times can 7 go into 8? Just once. And remainder what? 1. A remainder of 1. Now, sometimes we call this mathematics remainder mathematics. All right. So is the remainder I'm going to write. So the remainder here is 1. So we're filling it. Then let's move to 6 times 12. 6 times 12. Sorry, 6 times 2. 2 times 6. Okay. Is equals to 12. How many times can 7 go into 12? We know is once. All right. And remaining what? Remaining 5. So here is going to be 5. This is how we fill the table. Very simple. So 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 is 6. Not up to. So we write it. 3 times 3 is 9. How many times can 7 go into 9? Once. Remainder 2. Then 3 times 4 is 12. How many times 7 going to 12 is once, remainder 5. Okay, and that is how you continue. You get all your answers. 3 times 5, 15. How many times can 7 go into 15 times? Into 15 is twice. Remainder what? 1. Twice being 14. So difference between 15 and 14 is 1. And 3 times 6, 18. Now, how many times can 7 go into 18? Twice, which is 14. So the difference between 18 and 14, of course, is 4. So this is how you feel it, okay? This is 1. 6 times 4 times 4 is 16. I think the balance is 2. That is remainder. 4 times 5 is 20. And the balance is 6. Good. Then 5 times 2 is 10. The balance is 3. Then 5 times 3 is 15. The balance is 1. And 5 times 5 is 25. So 7 into 25 is 3 times, which is 21. Remaining 4. Then we have 5 times 6 is 30. 7 into 30 is 4 times, which is 28. Difference between 30 and 28, you have 2. So this is how to fill it in, and very good, very important. Now the next thing that we are asked to is this. We should use the table to answer the question. Now this is what you need to do. We are told that m times m, okay, of course, remember this is modular arithmetic. So modular arithmetic. So m times m is equals to 2. Now you have to go to the table. What times what gives you 2? What times what gives you 2? The same number multiply itself to give you 2. Let's see, 2 times 2 is 4, so no 2. 2 times 3 is, 3 times 3 is 2. So we have one of it. So m, that is the answer to this now. M could be 3. All right. Then let's come back. What again? Let's see, 4 times 4, 2. So m could also be 4. Let me see. Is there anyone again? 5 times 5 is 4. Okay, then, okay, that is all. Beautiful. So the answer is m is equals to 3 and 4. Then let's go to the second. 2 times n is equals to 5. So let's go to 2. Where do we have 2? 2. 2 times what gives 5? Of course, in this case is 2 times 6 alone. So our n automatically becomes 6. This is how we answer questions from the table, okay, under modular arithmetic or modular arithmetic. Then let's move to the last question. 5 divided by 3. Now, if you recall, this is a multiplication table, but they are asking us question under division. What should we do? This is what we are going to do. Follow me carefully and see what I'm going to do. 5 divided by 2. Now, divided by 3. Sorry, not 2. My mistake. So, divided by 3 is equals to, let's say we don't know. Let's say it's equals to x. We don't actually know, right? So, this in fraction form, it means 5 over is equals to what? X. Good. By the time you cross multiply, you have 3x is equals to 5. So we've changed it to be a normal multiplication where we have 3 times x is equals to 5. So it's just like what we've been answering. So 3 times what gives 5? Let's look at it. 3. 3 times 4 is equals to 5. So automatically we can say, since it is 3 times 4 that is equals to 5 on the table, so therefore our x is equals to 4. So this is how you work it out. It's actually very simple and very straightforward. So I want to believe you've learned and you know how to actually fill it in. All right.